Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss sentence structures in Norwegian. One of the foundational aspects of mastering a new language is understanding its sentence structure. For those learning Norwegian, setningsstruktur, sentence structure, is key to moving from beginner to intermediate proficiency. At levels A1 to A2, you should be aware of a few primary sentence structures. In our discussion today, we will provide an introduction to those structures and offer examples to help you become familiar with Norwegian sentence formation. Basic sentence structure: subject, verb, object, SVO. Like English, Norwegian primarily follows an SVO structure. For example, jeg spiser brød, jeg spiser brød, jeg spiser brød. I eat bread. Jeg, subject. Spiser, 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 verb. Brød, 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 object. Negative sentences. To make a sentence negative in Norwegian, the word ikke, ikke, not is used after the verb. For example, jeg spiser ikke brød. Jeg spiser ikke brød. Jeg spiser ikke brød. I do not eat bread. Questions. For simple questions, the verb often precedes the subject. For example, spiser du brød? Spiser du brød? Spiser du brød? Do you eat bread? Spiser, 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 verb. Do, subject. Brød, 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 object. Compound sentences. As in many languages, you can combine sentences in Norwegian using conjunctions. Common conjunctions include og, and men, but, and elle, or. For example, jeg spiser brød, og hun drikker vann. Jeg spiser brød, og hun drikker vann. Jeg spiser brød, og hun drikker vann. I eat bread, and she drinks water. Position of time. When a time expression is added to a sentence, it usually comes at the beginning or end of the sentence. I morgen spiser jeg brød. I morgen spiser jeg brød. I morgen spiser jeg brød. Tomorrow I eat bread. Jeg spiser brød i morgen. Jeg spiser brød i morgen. Jeg spiser brød i morgen. I eat bread tomorrow. Adjective placement. Adjectives usually precede the nouns they modify. And remember, Norwegian adjective needs to agree in gender and number with the nouns they modify. For example, jeg har et rødt eple. Jeg har et rødt eple. Jeg har et rødt eple. I have a red apple. Et eple, et eple, et eple, neutral noun. Rødt, rødt, neutral form of the adjective red. Word order in subordinate clauses. When dealing with subordinate clauses, the word order changes. The subject comes before the verb. For example, jeg vet at du spiser brød. Jeg vet at du spiser brød. Jeg vet at du spiser brød. I know that you eat bread. At, that subordinating conjunction. Mastering Norwegian sentence structure takes practice and patience. The key is to become familiar with these basic structures and practice. Practice. Engage with native speakers, take Norwegian classes, read children's books or beginner level text, and immerse yourself in Norwegian media. By understanding and practicing setningsstruktur, you'll be on your way to fluent conversation in no time. Lykke til, lykke til. Good luck. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.